Just a moment, guys. Good morning, everyone. How was your weekend? Hope you had a fantastic weekend. So there is an ongoing trade in the paid group right now. 24,100 CE. Good morning, everyone. 24,100 CE at 1995 मैंने दिया था. So it has achieved our first target that was at 105. So let's see if we can get our further targets. So trail stop loss at 86, 87 if you have bought at 91, 92 around. Trail stop loss at 87, 86, 87. So let's see what is happening in Nifty. Nifty is looking good. Just a moment. Thank you. डेली लाइव स्ट्रीम करना थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है बिकॉज बीइंग एन RA आई हैव सो मेनी थिंग्स टू कवर daily. There are compliances, there are many other things. So since I don't have a full-fledged team right now, अभी भी उतना ग्रो नहीं किया हो. हाँ, जब ग्रो कर जाऊंगा, जब टीम होगा सपोर्ट करने के लिए तो डेली लाइव स्ट्रीम करूंगा. That's my promise. Okay, that's definitely my promise. But before that, tell me, am I audible clearly to all of you, or is there any problem with the audio? So think थोड़ा इसमें so bullish stocks थोड़ा देखते हैं. I think Inox Wind is quite bullish. Let's see Inox Wind अगर कुछ मिलता है हम लोगों को, definitely find out. Inox Wind यहाँ पे वो गिर रहा है. ओके, so 94.70 is the highest. Let's see what the pivot saying. Pivots तो अच्छा दिख रहा है, but it is quite overbought. लेकिन momentum play करना है तो let's see 94 Inox Wind 94 C. Let's see Inox Wind 94 C. It is available at 2.85. देखते हैं इसको. काफी लिक्विडिटी स्वीप कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे आइनॉक्स विंड का। एक फॉल हम लोगों को दिख सकता है यहाँ से आइनॉक्स विंड में। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट लेट्स सी सम बुलिश स्टॉक्स। PFC is looking good. Vishal Mega Mart is looking good. So let's drop Inox Wind for now. We'll come back later. Inox Wind को हटाते हैं. We'll come back later. निफ्टी कहाँ गया? 24,100 सी हम लोग डिलीट मार के लगता है. So our Nifty is looking good. Okay, Nifty is looking good. Let's see यहाँ पे जो कैंडल बना है ना, रेड कैंडल, that is sort of an hammer. और ये वॉल्यूम्स इसका अच्छा है. सो माइट बी निफ्टी एक फॉल दिखाए यहाँ से, हो सकता है. अगर यहाँ इसके ऊपर निकला लाइक 24,160 के ऊपर निकला तो निफ्टी कैन रीच टिल दिस हाई 24,189, बट इट्स लुकिंग लाइक हाईली अनलाइकली एक रिट्रेसमेंट आएगा यहाँ पे निफ्टी में, ऐसा लग रहा है. क्योंकि ये जो कैंडल बना है काफी थोड़ा सा डाउट क्रिएट कर रहा है माइंड में. स्टिल दोज हु आर होल्डिंग निफ्टी 24,100 CE, please keep holding and trail stop loss at 87, 88 max, not more than that. So 3-4 points it's okay. अगर यहाँ से निकलता है मार्केट तो ये स्टॉप लॉस इसके ऊपर है सबका, लेके 180 190 तक जाएगा, देन 24,200 तक जा सकता, 24,218 तक भी जा सकता है. मार्केट में मोमेंटम है. लेट्स सी ऑन हायर टाइम फ्रेम व्हाट द मार्केट इज डूइंग. सो लेट्स क्लोज डाउन दिस पिवट्स and let's have a look at what the market is doing on 30 minutes chart first. Yes, clearly 30 minutes chart में clearly हम लोगों को दिख रहा है कि 189 is a good resistance upside. what 189 में होगा, 1 hour chart में शिफ्ट हो जाते हैं, then it will be quite better. We'll have a good look at it. So here you can see there is a gap over here on the upside. So ये gap यहाँ पे 190, 189 is a strong resistance of course, but यहाँ पे gap है 240 के आसपास. This might also be a challenge. 240, 245 के आसपास. And then if we break out of this, then ये जो gap है यहाँ पे, ये गैप यहाँ पे क्लोज करेगा 300 का गैप. निफ्टी में मोमेंटम तो है, अच्छा खासा मोमेंटम है. इट इज क्वाइट बुलिश. निफ्टी में तो बुलिशनेस है, काफी अच्छा खासा बुलिशनेस है. And we can see a very good momentum. 300 तक का मोमेंटम तो हम लोग को इजीली दिखना चाहिए. यहाँ से थोड़ा सा वॉलेटिलिटी रहेगा. even if comes down, see 1 hour chart, even if it comes down to around this level 24,040 level, it is a buy only. Okay, from here on, until unless there is a forced like sell off anywhere around. So this will be a buy only. Okay, even if we get a dip around 24,050, 40 to 50 levels, this can be a very good morning Malav ji, good morning everyone, good morning. So my question to you is, where are you investing now? Do you only day trade, or you are focusing on creating a portfolio as well, maybe for medium term or short term, but whether you are creating some portfolio or not, that is the main question. Okay, if you are creating a portfolio, then which sectors are you focusing on? Mutual fund. Okay, so mutual fund, which you can also mention which is what type of mutual fund you are investing in, whether you're investing in equity, whether you are investing in hybrid or sectoral themes you are playing. Sipla. Okay, let's check out Sipla then. Sipla is looking good. Yes, Sipla is looking good, but overbought है, बहुत ज़्यादा overbought है. Let's see the pivots, what they say. काफी ज़्यादा overbought हो चुका है Sipla. ये जो सडन राइज है ना, ये जो वॉल्यूम वाला राइज आता है, it is very difficult to predict this. Okay, then you have to sit with a particular stock and watch it like a hawk. ये जो वॉल्यूम आता है, दिस इज ऑल ऑफ अ सडन, एंड व्हेन यू एंटर हियर मोस्टली चांसेस ये रहता है कि हमारा स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो जाएगा. स्टिल लेट्स, इफ यू हैव मेंशन्ड सिप्ला, आई विल गो विद सिप्ला. Okay, let's see if we get some sort of momentum going with it. This is the half hour chart. Okay, 30 minutes chart. So you can see that there is a bit of resistance on the upside. Definitely a bit of resistance on the upside. तो यहाँ से हम लोग लेंगे भी तो 1405 पे काफी ज्यादा रेजिस्टेंस है. ओके, 1045, 141110, ये पूरा रेजिस्टेंस वाला एरिया है. तो मुझे लगता है कि ये एक नीचे की तरफ एक मूवमेंट आएगा. अगर आता है देन इट्स, उसके बाद जो मूवमेंट आएगा देन वो अच्छा आएगा. पूरा रेजिस्टेंस भरा पड़ा हुआ है. यस, आई डू विद द हेल्प ऑफ वीकली एंड मंथली चार्ट्स. ओके, Bajaj Consumer, BHEL, Kirloskar Oil, Karnataka Bank, yes, J&K Bank and Maharashtra Bank, PSU Bank came good. So yes, Maharashtra Bank we already don't think about that. We'll invest only after Trump uncle exit. No, never time the market. One thing I have understood and learned, I have learned from my father as well, and I have learned from my mistakes as well in the journey thus far. Okay, so never time the market. If you find value in any kind of stock, so if you find value in it, you enter it. Okay, so Man Industries is one such stock, you can look into it. Then there is GNA Excel, the spare parts sector, the auto component sector is doing well. You can get some momentum in there. GNA Excel is good. Amagi is one of the stocks that I have been tracking, AMAGI, Amagi. So that you can look into. So I'll type these names. Man Industries is looking excellent for the next 6 months. Man Industries, GNA, Amagi, you can take a look at it. Okay, so let's go back, क्योंकि यहाँ पे कुछ भी मोमेंटम है नहीं हम लोगों के पास. So let's go back to our Nifty chart. So 159 we are looking at. Yes, so our trade is going like simple trade. Okay, So let's see if we can get some momentum, get the second target. Let's see. सुबह सुबह अगर 20-25 पॉइंट मिल जाए तो बहुत अच्छा रहता है. When the pressure is off throughout the whole day, then we can talk about something else. Get some, let's see, any other stocks. That is PFC, REC Limited. Okay, REC Limited is Chola Finance is making some noise. Okay, Chola Finance. Let's see Chola Finance. These few of these stocks I avoid in stock options because the and I don't believe in the movement of the premiums in the stock options. They are very good for option writing. Yes, see, Chola Finance is looking good. Okay, Chola Finance. Let's see Chola Finance. 1700 C. Let's see. Okay, have to go ITM because otherwise, yeah, there is a resistance at 1718, but I think it should break above it to 1729. I think should be our target R1. Let's see. Yes, so let's do one thing. Chola Finance. Let's see. Chola Fin above Chola Fin 1700 CE above 39. Let's see. And let's stop losses. SL is at 35. Okay. Targets will be same 35, 39, above 30, 43, 47, and let's say 52. So this should be the target. Okay, let's put it across to the paid group as well. Intraday options for those who couldn't attend this session. Chola Finance 1700 CE above 39. Stop loss at 35. Target should be 43, 47 and 52. Okay, trade active. Let's see. Just a moment, guys. Give me 1 minute to charge. Okay. So Nifty again. Let's go and watch Nifty first. Then we'll come back to whatever we are doing. Nifty is going good. Okay. Nifty is looking positive. Although very slow in its momentum, but Nifty is looking healthy and positive since morning. So we took this trade 24,100. Let me explain. Okay. So we took this trade at this point. Okay. See, on the break of sorry. ये जो यहाँ पे हम लोग एक डोजी बना था on retest. So how did we find out? Let's check the this thing. See, so this was there is a doji formed in near the golden ratio. Okay, so we entered on breakout above the doji over here, and we went up to here. So basically there is no momentum in the premiums. Okay, maybe as the day progresses, we get to see some momentum. But as of now, there is no momentum. So we already have got, like, if this is our stop loss. So if this is our stop loss near below the doji, if this is our stop loss below the doji, so we already have secured around 1:3-4 ratio of risk reward ratio. We've already covered it. But since there is no momentum in the trade, we already just what high did 106.55 is the high. So we didn't get too much of ROI from this. So only 15 points out of it. That's good. To start with, that's good. So this has come to like now यहाँ पे डबल टॉप ले रहा है. So let's erase all these stuffs. So this was the logic behind this trade 24,100 CE. Okay. Now we might see if it takes a double top over here, we have to look where it comes to around. Okay, then we have to let the market fall. We will not go shorting it. Okay, we will allow the market to fall, take its own course first, let a structure be built, then we will trade according to that. That is the plan for today. I hope everybody understood, right? What is our plan for today? Okay, Nelco Limited. So Nelco Limited, let's see. Nelco Limited. Are you talking about what? Intraday or positional trade for a longer period? Nelco weekly. Let's see weekly. I look into weekly charts mostly because weekly charts are pretty noiseless charts. Okay, it's looking very good. Nelco is looking for very good for this level. Okay, hold it for this level few weeks. For 3-4 weeks you hold, you should get 1162. 1162 to 1195 it can be, and then if it gets more momentum, then if you are lucky enough, and if it gets more momentum, then we can see this level. We have 1500 levels as well, but it will take some time. Lenco is looking very positive, very positive. Okay, swing, so keep it around 4 to 5 weeks, hold to around 4 to 5 weeks. You should get good returns. Let's get back to. So you're talking about policy bazaar for a swing trade, or you want it for intraday? We ensure the structure is shift. Okay, so let's talk about it. First, let's talk about Nifty. Structure shift, right? What happens is, see, here there is already a structure shift. Okay, so look at this red candle. It created double top and fell. Okay, right? It created a double top and fell. We'll not chase it right now. Let's market take its own course, because this is might be an inducement for sellers. We have to be very cautious about this. Okay, now let's see if there is an order block created upside. So I can't see any order block created upside. If it has to fall, it will fall straight away. Otherwise, it has induced the sellers over here. People might have entered over here. Okay, and see this candle also. I don't see any order blocks built right now. So for me, Nifty is still positive. can come down a bit, but I think overall Nifty might be positive. Hmm. Again, Kaplan Point is looking very good. Axis Bank is looking very good. Okay. Defense stocks have got momentum right now. See what I that this is the only thing I was talking about. There has been inducement for the sellers. There are sellers inside who have shorted it over here. They are now trapped. Okay. So until unless there is a structure shift, we have to see a structure shift. Structure will shift only when this golden ratio is broken over here. Structure shift होना तब शुरू होगा. See, we are trading above the 20 EMA, so it is positive overall. Okay, the normal short-term trend is positive, so we will not short from here. We'll have some patience. Have some patience. We'll get our targets. I think I'm looking at 24,190 now. If it is breaking above day high. We are already in the Nifty trade. So Nifty, see, it is already at 102 right now. It fell to 95 levels, I think. Yes. So 95 levels it went to. A small dip. No real momentum in the premiums. So see, it will be fun if we have some momentum going in the premiums. As of now, I don't see any momentum. Now look at this candle. Okay. Now look at the bearish candle first. It created a double top, fell below this zone. Okay, this is a zone that has been created and fell below it. I'll show you the zone. Okay, this is the zone the market created and it fell below it. Okay, that was for the sellers, right? Now this can look at this candle. Okay, if let's see if it breaks above this high, that is 159 160 levels. Let's see if it breaks above 160 levels. Then what will happen is this candle will, the inducement candle will become the order block. If market goes upside, okay, it reaches suppose 190 and then it falls over here. Any dip towards this block, this red candle block, will be a buy. Any dip towards it. The condition is only if it breaks above this 160 level, reaches higher highs, maybe it reaches 190 or not, that is another issue. But if it creates another higher high and then again it falls, if it falls over here, we have to wait, let it give a reversal signal, and then it will be a buy, and then there will be a sharp momentum upside. Okay, this is how it is played out. Intraday trading, this is how it plays out always. Okay, let's see Policy Bazaar then. Policy Bazaar BZR. Okay, intraday. Oh, nice. It's a good. It's looking good. It's looking good. But this is the day high. You have to be very careful because Indian markets are famous for false breakouts. You saw it that in Coforge in my first trade we hit stop loss, and then it gave first target. After we re-entered, it gave first target. So this is how there is a big problem with Indian markets. Okay. So our YouTube channel is officially named Stocks and Strategies in place of like Trade Plus Official 03 earlier, which it was earlier. So we have officially renamed it as Stocks and Strategies. Now Stocks and Strategies will cater to all the uh, all the services, just like Trade Plus did. And I'll be very soon leaving Trade Plus because you don't find interest in a place which is getting manipulated by the day. Okay, so I'm on the verge of leaving Trade Plus and creating my own brand, Stocks and Strategies. I have been thinking a lot about it, and Stocks and Strategies, I have bigger plans for it. So this might, like, we can go in for something like Univest in the near future. We are like, this is a proprietary business right now, and if we are looking for funding, if we get good funding, then we are going to go corporate and launch something like Univest. That is in the pipeline, already designed, and everything is ready. The roadmap and everything. Business only thing is that we are looking for company investors. No, Trade Plus is also my initiative, but that was in collaboration. So I'm leaving that collaboration right now. Thank you. See, it is the support that matters. You guys have given me the support, the strength, and all the renewals and everything that will be in the Stocks and Strategies paid group only. So no renewals in Trade Plus. If you're seeking for renewals, then uh, like Stocks and Strategies, we will share the Stocks and Strategies link. And it's a request, please do share the channel with others. I don't know whether Telegram is up and not. I don't think it is up and running right now. Until now, it is not. अभी तक ठीक नहीं हुआ है टेलीग्राम. So Chola Finance, we are very close to it. 42.4. Our first target was 43. So Safers can book this. Safers can book first target over here. 42. We are here, and Safers can book first target. Let me update here. This target. So 42.40 is high. Still looking good. Still looking good. Okay. So let's see. पॉलिसी बाजार में प्रॉब्लम तो है, बॉस, प्रॉब्लम तो है पॉलिसी बाजार में. ये देखो, पॉलिसी बाजार में अभी तो डबल टॉप बनाने की कोशिश कर रहा है. ओके. And let's go to Nifty then. Nifty, let's see. Yes, Nifty as I expected. So it is trying to move above 160. Once it does, you hold on. If you are holding on to the trade, please hold on. So once we get these targets, you exit once. I'll tell you when to exit. You exit 24,100 CE once, or keep not now. I'll tell you when. Already we are trailing stop loss at 87, 88 levels. So nothing to worry about right now. Let it break above this. make some higher highs. Whenever price falls to this order block, so it will be a buy from here. Okay. The best thing would be when 20 EMA comes and touches this level and price comes and hits over here. So we'll have two supports for us which can act as the stop loss. One is the order block and the 20 EMA. That will definitely be supporting over here. Okay, so let's see what else. Let us know if you need any support from our side. Yes, sir. Yes, regarding stocks and strategies, we would need support. Just spread the channel and let's build a strong community from here on. Policy Bazaar is trying to break out, but I think it will be very difficult for it. It's so very highly overbought. Okay, highly overbought. Do you want to trade in Policy Bazaar right now? Let's see. Let's take a chance. Okay. Let's take a small risk. Policy Bazaar. Let's take 1700 CE. Okay. Policy Bazaar 1700 CE. Nearest ATM will take. Okay. So let's see. Let's see. So around this is around 37. Okay. Policy Bazaar 1700 CE above 37. Let's take this and our stop loss will be somewhere around, wait, so let's see, stop loss around 33. Targets around 41, 45 and 50. Okay, so let me drop this into the group as well. Policy Bazaar 1700 C above 37, stop loss at 33, targets 41, 45 and 50. Let's see. Okay, let's take a chance. Small risk. Okay, let's see. Yes, active now. and our Nifty is breaking above day high. Okay, yes, Nifty is doing what I was like hoping it will do. Nifty has got itself into a tangle right now. It has got itself into a tangle. If it doesn't break out from here, it should break out from here. That's why this inducement happened. So I am hoping that it will break out from here. Yes, this is it. Like trying its utmost best Nifty to break above the day high, and I hope it will do it actually, because there is lots of inducement over here, and it should break above the day high now, because it has collected all the sell orders from the sellers over here. So how do I find that? How do I understand this is an order block? Is something like I'll tell you if this thing succeeds, because first we have to be sure that this is actually an order block. Yes, come on. Let's see. If we're trying hard to break above it, can see a good move. So I'm expecting what I am visualizing right now is a move towards 24 190, then a fall, quite a big fall from here to this level, and at the end of the day there will be movement upside. Yeah, this is how I'm viewing it, and the late afternoon move can take the Nifty to 200 245 levels, even 300. I won't be surprised if it takes Nifty to like 300 levels today itself. As of now, I think now 190 is very much possible. any dip towards this will be a buy only. Now that it is confirmed now that, see, it is now confirmed that this is actually an order block. This red candle, why I'm calling it an order block? Because it has got volumes. If you look at the corresponding volumes, it is higher than the previous candle volumes. That means it is a volume, like people have sold over here actually. Still, CE premiums don't have any momentum. Nifty breaking out, but Nifty CE premiums don't have any volume, don't have any kind of volume. If you look at the market depth over here in the CE side, quite a bit of buying interest coming in. Okay, quite a bit of buying interest coming in at this moment, and I think it should like take this premium further upside. This is the market depth. Okay, so at this level, there are instances when you will find that there is buying interest at the lower levels, so that drags the premium downside. So here there is an buying interest at the price, whatever price is available, not at lower levels. So Nifty in this 1055 candle, Nifty has broken above the day high. Okay, that's a good positive sign. Let's see if it continues the momentum upside or it again falls below it. Now, let's see if we get some good momentum stocks. Not necessarily see this Aegis Logistics. Aegis Logistics, I had recommended in November 25 as stock of the year. It's the stock of the coming year, it's 2026. So my stop loss was 530, and my targets were like 1500 to 1600 levels. We are already sitting at 30% profit. See, Let's move. So 560, 570 levels it fell to around. And now look at the move over here. 1093 was the high. Excellent. See, I kept on telling you in other sessions also, if India has to grow, like if India's GDP has to grow at 7 to 8% or whatever it is, like even 6 to 8%, what we are looking into. So the logistics sector alone has to move. Without the logistics sector moving, India can't achieve its targets. Okay, this is another very good stock. If you find it around 949, 940 levels, you can buy it. This thing. Let's see, Swan Corp is another company. It has very good fundamentals. Kiloser engineering. See, look at this Kiloser engineering. Excellent stock. Aegis Logistics is recovering. Clean Science is recovering. Clean Science has been subdued for so long, muted for so long, because of various reasons. But now this whole sector is moving. Ion exchange, WABAC, and nothing. So this is also good. NICAL. NISCAL. NISCL. Gallant. NISCL looks good to 247 can be like achieved. Gallant is also looking good. Tata Communications is also good. Yes, a breakout, brilliant breakout. See, this was the level and it gave a brilliant breakout. Now you are am I audible right now? I'm talking about Tata Communications. Lemon Tree, last trading session someone asked. Lemon Tree is also looking good. NXPC is also good. See, these are all good stocks. Someday or the other they will run. They will run and they will surprise you. Stay invested. Don't go after the noise. Don't go after any noise. Like if someone tells you, okay, like Donald Trump is there, anything might happen. So don't go fall for it. Okay. Don't believe in it. Just believe in the story, like in the India story. Policy Bazaar, we have a stop loss hit. Okay. Policy Bazaar, we have a stop loss hit in Policy Bazaar. Now, am I audible? Let me know, please. Resound. Just a moment. Now clear? Is it clear now? Echo. Why is this echo, man? Still echoing? What? Yes, sir means what? Echoing or not echoing? Is it clear enough now? Still echo coming. No, what happened? Now, still going. Clear, na? Many people are saying clear. Long consolidation in Nifty above day high at 160 levels. Oh no. Still going. What do you think? Nifty will touch 24,190 or not? Quite a bit of consolidation. I'm expecting to from the market to rise from here. Let's see what is happening in Bank Nifty. Let's see what is happening in Bank Nifty. Let's see. Bank Nifty has same structure. It's the same structure as Nifty. Actually, Bank Nifty has not broken above its day high. It is still below its day high. That's why Nifty is also finding it difficult to show any upward movement. The setup in Nifty is very good. Yes. Nifty comes and touches the 20 EMA, it will be a good entry point, provided it gives a reversal signal. But I think this should move upwards. ये जाना चाहिए पहले 24 190 के पास. That would be a better structure to get more like positive trade in Nifty later in the day. But if it falls now, फिर से री एंट्री करना पड़ सकता है यहाँ पे इस ट्रेड में 24 100 C. इसमें फिर से री एंट्री करना पड़ जाएगा. So markets can be so boring sometimes. Market can be like very testing your patience also. You have to wait positively and wait patiently for the setup to be created. That's the main thing. Once the setup is created, your setup is created, then you take the trade. Probability of profits is higher under these circumstances. But if you trade anywhere and everywhere, that is supposed to ruin your. I was in the morning talking about Amagi, right? It is almost, since I spoke about it, it was at 492, 494 levels. Now it is at 512 levels. Amagi. The first thing I mentioned when I started this session is this stock. It is looking extremely very good, very positive. Very positive stock. How many of you are driven towards algo trading. So many people are now selling algo trading. They also claim that if you are not trading through algos, like you are missing out on something, and you are not an actual trader or investor, whatever it is. You are not doing justice to your money. People are claiming that if you are not trading through algos, what do you like? Do you believe in the what I feel is, see, the okay, the um, like the ground looks always greener on the other side. Okay, it's only when you start using it, then only you will find how good or how bad it is. अगर अगर मान लो इतना ही अच्छा होता, then why would these guys sell it to you? Why wouldn't they use it to become rich? Okay, these guys are selling it to you. Why? Because that's the easiest way to earn money. Sell algos. Algo trading is coding. Like algo is a coding which you like integrate with your broker API, and like a trade is initiated as per your algo. Means whatever you code, whatever price you set, it is trading as per that. Okay, your investments and these all these things are taken care of by the codes, like whatever these institutions do. But let me tell you, in stock market, there is no secret recipe for success. If you watched Kung Fu Panda, there is no secret recipe for success. If algo trading is so successful, like people shouldn't be worried, right? You just buy an algo and trade. That's it. Nothing happening in the market actually. We are sitting at the same place since very long. So let's take a trade in Sipla. Okay, Sipla 1400C. 1400C. Okay. Financial markets is for dumb or greedy people. Correct. Those who cannot trade start selling courses, and then from innocent people. Yes. No, no. See, I have shown you Nifty. I have shown you this. Okay. This is uh, the order block. Okay. So Nifty will take support from here and try to rise. I don't think it should fall right now below this level, 24,130. I don't think it should fall below 24,130. Nifty premium 6C 24,100 premium is still stable. No problems with that. I've given a trade in Cipla. So Cipla 1400 cc above CE above 25.20. I'm expecting Cipla's target to be 1411 and then proceed higher. 1411 and 1420. See, Nifty came back and retested this red line that I had drawn over here. This was the trade that I had given you in the morning, right? And this was breakout above the day high at 10 o'clock, okay, 10:05. So it came back to retest this. Let's see if it gives a good move upside, because expecting from like since long that Nifty is to go break up upside and give us the targets of 24,190 and 24,200 can be possible beyond that. Nifty trying hard to break, really. It's trying its best to break above this level. Even after half an hour of consolidation, I'm surprised that it is not giving a breakout. Like we are still in the morning hours, the first session until, and I was hoping that it would have given us very good breakout from here. By afternoon, it should have retraced to this level, and then we could have gone long once again. A bit of momentum returning to the CE premiums. Okay, 107, 24,100 CE, high 107 now. So broken above the day high. Getting some bit of little bit of momentum returning to the CE side. Quite a bit of a struggle for Nifty to go out. Bank Nifty giving breakout rate. Yes. Now it can move. 57,992 again. 58,000 will be a Bank Nifty resistance, but the volume created is very good in Bank Nifty. If you check once again. Good volumes created in Bank Nifty. See, previous day high will be a question. It's where you will ask questions to Bank Nifty. Previous day high at 20. What is this level? 25,080,018. 58,018. This is the level where you should be cautious. 15,7,990 to 58,18. Not much movement actually. The whole market is at a standstill right now. Supply is still looking good. मार्केट को इस लेवल से गिराना बहुत मुश्किल है. Loads of patience required to sit with a trade when market's not working for you. ये लेवल क्रूशियल लेवल है, अगर ये तोड़ा तो मे बी और डाउन साइड दिख सकता है हम लोगों को। 130 का लेवल्स बहुत क्रूशियल है। सिप्ला के प्रीमियम में मूवमेंट ही नहीं है, देयर इज नो मोमेंटम इन दिस प्रीमियम। जहाँ पे दिया था वहीं पे प्राइस उसके ऊपर भी गया, सिप्ला डिडंट गिव एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ मोमेंटम। ये भी कंसोलिडेशन में चला गया। वी हैव टू वेट इन सिप्ला आल्सो। सो निफ्टी में ब्रेकडाउन आ रहा है अभी। मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर इज चेंजिंग। ये बड़ा ब्रेकडाउन है यहाँ पे, लेट्स सी if market rises to this place, then we can again once again look into shorting the market from now. अब ये जगह तोड़ दिया मार्केट ने, तो ये इसका कोई वैल्यू नहीं रहा अभी। ठीक है, अभी इसका कोई वैल्यू नहीं रहा। लेट्स सी इफ इट कम्स टू दिस एरिया। अगर यहाँ पे आता है तो शॉर्ट पोजीशन बन सकता है। Keep 24,200 into watch list. Add it. Add in your watch list. 24,200 put. PE. शॉर्टिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी भी नहीं है अभी. स्टिल नो शॉर्टिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी। यहाँ से शॉर्ट करना बहुत रिस्की है। ये एरिया पूरा गोल्डन रेशियो एरिया भी है। देखो ये वाला एरिया जो है ये गोल्डन रेशियो एरिया भी है, ठीक है। सो फिर शॉर्ट ओवर हियर यहाँ यहीं तक का मिलेगा, 110 तक की आएगा, या यहाँ से लिक्विडिटी स्वीप करके ऊपर निकल जाएगा। सो इट इज क्वाइट रिस्की नाउ टू शॉर्ट द मार्केट। मार्केट यहाँ पे शॉर्ट कर सकता था, लेकिन देन द ट्रेंड वाज पॉजिटिव, ओवरऑल ट्रेंड, इसलिए वहां पे भी शॉर्ट नहीं हो पाया। This is the golden ratio area and this is this order block over here। यहाँ पे है वो ऑर्डर ब्लॉक, सुबह बना था जो। फॉर मी सिर्फ अभी भी सीई ठीक है, अभी भी कोई इशू नहीं हुआ है सीई में। फिलहाल तो हमें शॉर्ट नहीं करना चाहिए अभी भी। इस लेवल के नीचे शॉर्ट होगा, 24,100 के नीचे ही शॉर्ट होगा, अदरवाइज देयर विल बी नो शॉर्ट पोजीशंस। Short positions will only be done below 24,100. Before that, no short. Sipla hasn't worked. Sipla is not working at all. मोमेंटम ही नहीं है सिप्ला में कोई। Any shorting opportunities we will pick up only below 24,100. Before that, we won't short the market. Should we re-enter in that case and keep stop loss below 24 or 100? Stay neutral, because if it goes below 24 100, then like it will be a huge stop loss from here. But if you want to if you want to keep a stop loss of 75, it's okay. 75 का stop loss रख के 90 95 के range में enter कर सकते हो. But that will be a risky ask. Okay. तेज नीचे आया तो फिर let the market decide which way it wants to go. If you are holding it already, then it's okay. You keep a stop loss of 86, 85, 86. You hold it. But re-entering now will be dangerous. You got to have some patience now. If you can afford that kind of risk, so you can enter at 90 levels and then hold it with a stop loss of 75. Otherwise, I don't think there is any need for that kind of risk right now. Hey, nothing is happening in the market right now. So neither we can short nor we can go long. Okay. We have only to wait. Okay, let's wait. Let's finish this session today here, right? Because like it will take some time and we cannot sit over here for the entire day, right? Okay, we'll meet tomorrow for expiry trading, right? Today will be expiry trading for sure. Live session. We'll start live session tomorrow at say 12:30 onwards. We'll start. live session since 12:30 onwards. Okay, tomorrow. Sipla we are still holding. Sipla we are still holding. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.